Improving your coding skills is an ongoing process that requires consistent practice and learning. Here are some tips to help you improve your coding skills. 1. Practice regularly. Coding is a skill that requires practice, just like any other skill. Set aside time each day or each week to practice coding. 2. Build projects. One of the best ways to improve your coding skills is to build projects. Start with small projects and work your way up to more complex projects. 3. Solve problems. Solve coding challenges and problems on sites like HackerRank or LeetCode to improve your problem-solving skills. 4. Learn from others. Join online coding communities or forums and learn from other coders. Participate in online discussions and ask questions. 5. Read code. Study other people's code to learn new techniques and best practices. 6. Keep learning. Stay up to date with the latest programming languages, frameworks, and tools. Attend conferences, webinars, and workshops to learn new skills. 7. Take breaks. Take breaks regularly to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Remember that improving your coding skills takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress right away. Keep practicing and learning, and you'll eventually see improvement.